Hi guys, hope you're having a good day at the office. This is my view.
Busy day today, you know, there's the Biennale going on. Everybody's coming in town today. Okay.
Basta.
Gazzettino, quindi a Rialto, al Cardone. Sì, vicino a Ponti. Okay, please, you're getting in first.
Buongiorno.
Okay, here we are. Now, feel free to sit outside if you want.
Grazie.
Slowly, but
There now arrive another boat. Everyone can fly. The water here is from the sea, salt water, and has 4 different tides every day. The level change every 6 hours. For 6 hours the water come up, and then for 6 hours the water go down. Now, for example, the water is going down. We are in the mid-level of the tide. If you look on the wall, a little more higher,
Yeah.
and here, near the water.
oh yeah,
There is a green line. Also here on the veil.
okay.
There.
That's high water.
Your steering is very
at
good.
the lowest now, or does it go lower?
Mid-level.
Middle.
The mid. Canal now it's very quiet because it's only for the private. It's not allowed to pass here with a motor boat.
Okay.
You can see in front of you there are a lot of gondolas.
Yes.
And only gondolas. Was your father Gondolier?
Father?
Yeah.
Yes.
So grandfather, father, you?
I am the 5th generation.
5th generation, wow.
here. It's long 5 kilometers and is deep about 6 meters.
Okay.
From this canal pass all the boats of the city.
So we
And here in
can.
Venice, every works are made with one boat. Also the emergency work, like ambulance, fire, and police, for example.
All by boat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Funny way.
This big boat in front of you now, for example, is like the public transport, like a bus.
Okay.
And when the ambulance comes, you get out the way because you get wet.
The Rialto Bridge, the 4 big bridges that we have here in the city, is the most important because it was built in the center of the city and because now it's the oldest bridge here in Venice. This construction made by stone has about 500 years old.
500 years.
500, yeah. Before there was another bridge of Rialto like that.
Okay.
It was made by wood.
Okay.
That had a life of about 300 years.
Okay.
A few moments later.
It's this one, yeah. Oh, there. We're gonna get splashed.
No, don't get splattered. See how they all move out the way, right? I knew that was gonna happen.
Yeah, the house of Capsizing.
Oh, you're leaving me on the boat by myself.
Balance.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hands.
Wait, left.
Yeah. Other. Over. Very good. Thank you
Grazie
very much.
mille.
Thank you. Have a nice
Thank
holiday.
you, thank you.
Ciao. Bye bye.
Sure. 376. How was that, Gary?
Very cool. Thank you.
That's video. I thought it was fun. What did I get? Spaghetti pomodoro. And you got. What did you get, Gary?